120,000 miles on this baby. Old, but still good. And there's the old Sea Ray. And there's the ice on the driveway. Look at that. 50 degrees though.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wait, one of these candles is out. Wait.
It's the 2 months. Wait, that's bad luck.
That's bad luck.
It says happy birthday, M&M.
Not bad luck. Well done.
I said now after the shoot.
Teresa, how you doing? You went out of film yet?
No. You had your film there in my face.
Yeah, you were supposed to be in the other school.
You didn't tell me that.
I didn't realize.
Okay, Iris, how are you? Hey, Josh, what's up?
Yeah, I think so. They wanted to come up on Mystic King.
Sorry.
I don't know what.
Better be.
I'll have to come.
Mike,
What?
Merry Christmas.
You too.
You're not so little anymore.
No, he loves being taped.
It's
It's his favorite thing on Christmas.
12/25/09. What is that thing?
Some kind of poster.
Oh. Wow, this tree looks just as good as it did the past 5 years. Or 10. Whatever.
Be careful with it.
It's a poster of Tug McGraw, your favorite guy.
Here, let's hold it up to the camera. You hold the bottom. Look!
Wow.
Mike's idol, Kurt Warner.
Yeah. Very nice.
That's a cool poster.
Now we can get rid of that clock that you hate so much in the room.
Yeah.
Put Kurt Warner up.
Yeah.
You have what?
No clue what this is. Well, actually, I didn't know what anything was.
Oop, battery's getting low. I'll put this on charge.
Another poster?
No, not a poster. Basketball idol D. Wade. But we can hang that.
Picture.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Looks good with those pajama pants.
When did you even do it?
Come out of the shower, and I didn't want
Oh,
to
you did it while I was in the shower?
Discovered.
This side looks really good. This side looks like you tried it several times.
Because what happened was when I was done, I saw I had one side down like that, and the other one was the opposite, and I was like, I had to do it.
But that was pretty clever. You actually went on YouTube and typed in how to wrap a present.
Yeah.
And you found out, so now you know how to do it. That's funny. YouTube comes in handy, huh? Uh-oh. Oh, wow! This
like
goes with the ring you got me. That's beautiful. Oh, I love it. Thank you. That's gorgeous. Thank you. Thanks, Mike. That's so pretty. You remember the cocktail ring you got me a few years ago? This matches it. I bet you didn't even realize that.
I knew it looked familiar.
Yeah, sure. I think that was pure dumb luck. That's nice. Wow, wait till I show everybody today. You didn't have to do that, though.
I know. But you deserve it.
It's really pretty. Wait till Aunt Patty sees, she's going to be jealous.
Thanks for still.
These ribbons look familiar.
Yeah.
And she said, Mel's been swiping them for your garbage at Christmas. I went, what?
That's great. I wonder what else he's been swiping from our house. What a character that Mel is.
Who's going to notice ribbons so look alike, but I know.
Oh, so you did notice.
But then again, I swipe them because when people bring us gifts, I keep all the ribbons. Technically, they're really curry ribbons. Because Linda always buys expensive wrapping. I buy the... Yeah, turn around.
Stop playing with the log.
I can't keep my hands off Belle's log.
1, 2.
I had a dollar for every time I heard that.
Oh wait, I hope it came out. Okay, here we go. Coffee. See, you weren't facing,
Please,
Chrissy.
One of it. Chrissy.
Retake.
You got regular milk?
No, I think they're
1%.
You get a picture that come out.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
I can't
I
drink
got one more
1%.
picture.
Yes, you will.
All of you
What?
face me though. You know, face forward. 1, 2, 3.
Did I blink?
Did it come out?
I always.
Always do.
I can't tell.
Wait.
I probably cracked the mirror.
No, it came out.
It came out.
My eyes are closed. No, my eyes are
They're not
closed.
closed.
They're
Doing
closed.
videos.
It's hard to do.
All right, let's
You
do
can
one more
make your own
time.
3D
One more
movies.
time. This is it.
I can cut.
Melvitar.
No, it's not. That's great.
2, 3.
That's cool. All right, don't move.
Good, you gotta email that one.
That is good.
Can you email it to Chrissy and she'll forward it to me?
Yeah, if you,
That's
and,
what's on the copy.
then I can make
What
a
is he
picture of it
doing?
too, all right? Take the picture
Oh,
already.
Is he taking it?
Another picture?
Stereo.
You're doing, oh, he's doing video.
Stereo.
No. He's gonna take this.
Why the 2 cameras?
In case he doesn't get us on
Stereo.
the first one.
One goes on the internet and one doesn't.
Oh, great. We're going to go around the world?
Well, that's up to you.
Here, Ronnie, give it to me. I'll take it.
Fine, piece of shit. I'm zoomed in on him.
Doing a breaky.
This guy's good. What the hell is he doing? If he goes in the water, I don't think that's supposed to happen.
He doesn't have pontoons.
Just tell me if we're near a boat, guys, because I'm trying to shoot this thing.
Here's a nice stall. Look at that, man.
This is like a real air show. I didn't think they were going to have this Red Bull chopper do this. I was hoping.
He probably gets paid pretty well.
Yeah, he's one of the best chopper pilots there is, this guy. He's phenomenal.
Upside down.
Because let me tell you something. There's a reason you don't see helicopters at air shows doing aerobatics very often.
Not at work. Not at work. This phone forecast you read.
There's some dudes.
Well, they start out with the slalom, too. They start and they finish with that
Yeah,
slalom.
this viewfinder sucks in this camera. I forgot how bad this thing is. I can't even see. I don't know what's going on.
You can use this now.
Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I had to money to his Flex account so I can give it deposit when he goes back to school for
Oh, really?
1,000.
That's cool.
You take me.
No. Huh?
Go away. I
That
look like
was-
who did it
that's
and ran.
spotty.
Yeah.